Yep.
Hey everybody, that's Robert.
That's Julie.
We're here on It's Our Thing. Welcome to our channel. We're at the
Grapevine Italian Car Fest for 2024. And if you want to see Italian cars, this is the place to be. Right here, because there's usually every year about 100 of them. And they're everywhere. We've got Alphas, we've got Fiats, Maseratis, we got Lamborghinis, we got
Alfa
Ferraris,
Romeos.
we got Lancias. You name it, it's probably here somewhere if it's Italian. So we're going to take you around and take a look and
show you the sights.
Show you the sights.
like a card house. Yeah, it's true, but I'm not afraid to see where this will go. Oh, I wanna shout it out. Yeah, I just want the world to know. I'm gonna scream it loud, 'cause I can't help but love it so. Whoa, whoa. I wanna shout it out. You got my heart on overload. Oh yeah, you got me under your spell. You know that I'm addicted, 'cause your love's like a drug. All my life I've searched for truth, and now I've found it here with you. I wanna shout it out. Yeah, I just want the world to know. I'm gonna scream it loud, 'cause I can't help but love it so. Whoa, whoa. I wanna shout it out. You got my heart on overload. All my life I searched for truth, and now I found it all with you. I wanna shout it out. Yeah, I just want the world to know. I'm gonna scream it loud, 'cause I can't help but love it so. Whoa, whoa. I wanna shout it out. You got my heart on overload. I wanna shout.
show, and we're on the way home. And it was nice, so y'all be looking for it. And we've got more from It's Our Thing. We've got a haul coming up, and we're gonna be crafting. So anyway, we'll talk to you later. See you, bye. That's Robert.
That's Julie.
Bye.
It's our thing.
It's our thing.
And we don't care.
But really, we do. We'll talk to you later. Bye.